Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the idle air control or IAC Relearn process on an 87 through 95 5.7 350. So first what you do is go in the vehicle. And then we're going to go to our ALDL, which is our assembly line diagnostics link. We are going to short out the terminals A and B, which is the top right and then the one next to it. A is ground, B is diagnostics. Take a good old paper clip, shove it in there. Come on, little fella. Okay, we know it's in there, see? Those are shorted out. And what we're gonna do is we'll put the key in, turn the ignition on, do not start it. Do not start it. We're just putting the key in and turning it on. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna put the IAC fully extended, and now the computer is going to learn where the point of zero is. So see, key on. You hear that buzzing sound, that's normal. What you're hearing is the IAC. Now if you look down in there in this port, you can actually see the pintle protruding into this hole, and we know it's completely zeroed out. Now the computer knows exactly where zero is, and you should be good. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing. It doesn't cost you a thing, and every week or two you get free content.